Hello and welcome everyone. I am Aditya Kumar Shah and I am thrilled to be hosting this session for Dolphin Markets. I specialize in forex and stock trading and I've been years of experience in equity advisory, portfolio management and market analysis to the platform. Over my career, I had the privilege of managing portfolios worth over 150 crore INR, delivering compounded returns of more than 60 to 70% for my clients who were with me during my professional journey. Also, my expertise lies in creating data driven strategies with a strong focus on fundamental analysis. So, we basically focus on the fundamental analysis and go through all the number crunching and let you know what will be the best investment advice for you. It includes a combined analysis of financial statements such as income sheet, balance sheets, and cash flow statement, combined with the industry analysis, peer comparison, valuation metrics, economic analysis, SWOT analysis. In that, we look after the strength of a business, the weakness of a business, the opportunities and threats in the businesses, and actionable insights on what changes can enhance a company performance. All this culminates in a well-rounded investment advice to help client make informed decisions. So, what will be the purpose of this live streaming? So today we will just go through our stock holding and discuss how they are performing. As you can look at our stock holding, the market is positive by 1.14%. We will just go through them and analyze how they are performing today. And in the current market, what we can expect. The stock will be growing or it will be remaining stagnant or it will be making a fall or is it a trap. So we will understand each and everything about Nifty 2. We will go through the profit tracking strategy. Just look at the profit tracking strategy to analyze and track the progress against our financial goal. Whatever positions we have made and whatever positions which are pending, we will just go through and analyze them. We will also review key matrices, market movements, and potential adjustment we can do based on the recent trend. So, what are the adjustment we can do on the based on the recent trend? This is a chance to see how a structure approach. So, just remember, guys, it is a very good chance to see how a structure approach in fund using fundamental analysis can drive consistent result over time. So there will be a call to action. If you have any question during this session, feel free to drop them in the comments and I will address as many as I can. Don't forget to be active during the live streaming, so whatever doubts you are having during the live streaming you are able to clear out. So whatever doubts, whatever the explanation we are providing, if you have any doubt regarding that, just type in the comment section. We will be there to clear it out as soon as possible. Also, I want to mention one thing, that if you have any doubt, just put in the comment section. I will try to address as many as I can. Okay, so let's discuss the stock holding we have as of now. Currently, we are having 8 stocks. As you can see, we are having 8 stocks in our holding, from Poonawalla, RBL Bank, Muthoot Microfin Limited, DDEV Plastic Industries, Hindustan Oil Exploration, Kriti Industries, IP Ring, and Annapurna. So these are the 8 holdings we are having currently in our portfolio. So let's have a look where we have made position on that. So going through our Excel sheet, we can easily see we have made many positions in this statistics. Some of the positions have multiple entries, which we have tried to average down and make profit on it. But still, we weren't able to successful in that. We are just stuck on that. But we don't have to worry about that positions. We will be surely making a comeback since the market has fallen 1,000 points from its peak. It's reached around 24,800 points, right? And it has taken a dip from then and it has reached around 23,800 just now, just today market has started making recovery, and we see as the market starts recovery, the stock will follow its mark and the stock will grow to a more high. So just remember, whatever averages we have done, we have been doing with a good research. So you don't have to worry about the positions which we have made. We have made four position in Hindustan Oil Exploration. Pune wala we have made three position. Annapurna we had three position, and many of the positions are there. Like Hindustan Oil Exploration, we have made our position as 190, and we were able to generate profit in that by getting out in by getting out in 200 marks. So we have been doing averages also, and we are making consistent profit also. So we have Raptor and Sophia in the house. I hope Raptor and Sophia, it's going a great day for you. We have been making profit consistently, and I hope you will be making more of a exit if you have followed our recommendations. Currently, the market is doing very good, and our stock is falling. Most of our stocks, if we look, it is doing really good. So I hope that we will be making a smart exit very soon. So looking into our holding, if we just go through our holding, we have made 53 positions till now. Okay, and we were able to generate profits in 38 of trades. So as of now, we have been able to generate 38 to 37% of profit in just 38 trades we have executed. We have made position in 53 of the 53 positions entry we have made in many of the scripts we can see. Okay, and we have also mentioned the time when we are making an entry and what will be the direction. So and what will be the entry price. Also, we have been providing you with the where we have closed the trade. So you are being very well aware whatever recommendation we are providing it on a live streaming basis. So it's not anything we are hiding from you. Each and everything is visible, and you are able to take most profit out of it. We all know each and everyone in the market is here for profit, for making consistent profit. And Dolphin Markets is organizations where we are providing clients with a consistent gain from last 3 months, and we have been proving ourselves to provide you the returns. So we will just go through each and every stock in very detail and make you understand how is it performing as of now. So just have a look. Nifty is positive by 1.16%, and it's doing really well. It's up by 272 points. So let's have a look on our latest holding we have made at Kriti Industries. This was the entry we have made at the level of 170 and 175. So Kriti Industries, as you can see, it is trading around the level of 166.38. From the entry price, it has fallen by 4 points, and it is bouncing, making a comeback here. So just have a look. It is making a comeback here, and it is trading around its support. It has bounced back just before touching the support level at the level of 160 and 155. It has bounced back from that position and making a good comeback. We have our, let's just look at the entry price. We have our entry price at the level of 174 to 170. So we have made our entry price at 174 to 170, and we were able to made the positions here, and now it is coming between that range. And if we expect this range to be reached by this stock between 170 and 175, we will be seeing a good bounce back. Okay, and we will be making a new high. So Raptor is asking any new trade recommendation today. So Raptor, we don't have any new trade recommendation today. We have been making positions last week, and few of our positions are stuck till now. We are very positive in that. If you have not made positions, any of the positions till now, you can just go through what we have provided the recommendation, and we will be making new entries once we get the market insights why it is increasing. The market is very positive as of now, and most of the stocks you can see are doing positive. If you find any of the stocks which we can make entry or average down our prices, we will be surely entering that stock and recommending to you. So don't worry about that. Whatever entries we will be making, we will be surely coming up to you and making you aware. And just make sure whatever entries you are providing, you are entering at that level. Keep your demat account open. Whenever the entries we are providing, keep your demat account open. So whatever entries we provide at whatever level, just go to your brokers and buy that stock and remain very stress free that it will fall down or not. Just be very stress free. It will be surely giving you the returns, because making money is not hard in the market. It's just that you are lacking right advice, and we at the Dolphin Markets are here to provide you with the right advice. I hope you got the clear point, Raptor. We will be providing you with the recommendations once we get the insights of the market. Since just the market has started from last 2 hours, we will just have a look if we can provide with some entries. But as of now, we are just going through the previous entries which we have made and looking into that. So for Kriti Industries, as you can see, it has been trading around the level of 166.38 currently, and it is up by 2.7%. So if you look at the hourly chart, right, it is showing a very good green candle and it is making a bounce back. So if it is able to sustain at this level and the market remain positive, we will be seeing Kriti Industries to reach around the target level 178 to 183. So this will be the target level, and around that only, just have a look at the target level. We have a strong resistance, so just make sure you are making a exit from that position at our 5% target price. So if you are not making an exit, we can see a fall in that because there is a strong resistance, right? We have seen previously also there has been fall from the level of 185, around 180 to 185. There has been a strong fall and it is not able to make up its mark till then. So make sure that you are exiting the stock reaching to the target level. So this is our recommendation we had in our Kriti Industries. We have made our position at 170 to 175, and we are having a target of 179 to 184. So the second latest entry we have made around the Annapurna Swadis at the level of 380 to 385. So this was our second latest entry which we have made in Annapurna. So here we made our entry. I guess at this position we have made our entry and it has been falling from that level, right? And it has reached down around the level of 346. Raptor is telling the market is quite bullish since today morning. Yes, Raptor, the market is bullish. We have to look what is the bullish sentiment coming up. We have been seeing a strong fall in the Nifty, and there was if the Nifty had fallen below the 23,500 mark, and if it reached till the level of 23,200, it would have seen a more fall and it could have stopped around the level of 21,000, removing all the returns we have got till this year. But as of now, the market is making a bounce back, so we will just analyze through that, but have a look as of now towards our stock holding we have provided and what will be the future prospects of it, where we can make an exit and take our profit, because for many days we have been stuck in our holding and not able to make a smart exit. right? For most of the stocks which we have provided to you, we have been able to make a smart exit on that. But for few of the scripts, we have made multiple entries, still we are stuck on that, right? Due to many global reasons and many Indian market factors and the fearful condition, we are seeing the investors are selling the stock. So in looking at the Annapurna, we have made our position at the level of 385, and we can expect a bounce back coming up from this level. Just have a look. We had a strong support area at the level of 339 to 348, and from that position only in the Annapurna we are seeing a bounce back coming up. Just have a look. 348 to 340, we are seeing a bounce back coming up. It has increased by 3 points, so it was a very critical level. If it has broken its support, it could have fallen down more, but we don't see a great fall as of now. The volume is also good for this stock, and it is trying to make a comeback. It's trying to make a comeback, and it will be increasing more. So it will be increasing and it will be making a comeback. Also, we have our target price in Annapurna at the level of 400 and 405. For the latest entry we have made, we have made three entries in Annapurna. So just remember, whenever you are reaching the target price of 400 to 405, make sure you are exiting that stock very easily and you are able to make profit on that. Looking into our now just have a look from Poonawalla to RBL Bank. We have discussed about Annapurna and Kriti Industries. What were the positions and what are the target price we had and when we can make an exit. Looking into Poonawalla, we have been making many entries in that, and Poonawalla has been consistently falling from all the entries we have made. We have made our first entry at the level of 390. The second entry was at 360, and from then we are not able to exit. When we have made our entry at 360, we were about to reach our target price. We were about to reach our target price at the level of 378, but for just 1 point we have missed that target, and it is consistently falling as of now and making a bearish scene and bearish stock as of now, and it has been consistently falling. And but today if you see, it has shown a greenish candle and it is trying to bounce back, but it has to reach its flip zone around the level of 340 to 343 to make a comeback. And if it reaches its flip zone, we will be seeing more highs to come on that. We have seen many flips coming on from this level. There was a strong green candle when the Poonawalla reached on the month of 24th of October, right? It has shown a strong green candle appearing, and again before reaching its flip zone around the level of 343, there was a strong green candle appearing, and again in the month of December on the day 2, there was a strong increase in that. We have seen a strong flip around the level of 340 to 345, but as of now the Poonawalla is trading far below that. It is trading around 320, and if it is not coming under the flip zone, if it is not reaching at the level of 340, we can expect the market to not make this position, and the Poonawalla will be falling more. So make sure you are remaining cautious in this Poonawalla. Don't make any new entries as of now. We have already made three entries, right? If we have any strategies to make a re-entry in the Poonawalla, we will be letting you know on that. But as of now, avoid this stock and be keep your money to make your entries into the new stock which we can provide, right? And if you think if the Poonawalla has the potential to bounce back and the reversal is coming up in Poonawalla, we will be surely providing you with the recommendation. So here we have RBL Bank as of now. Looking into the RBL Bank was also having support at this level 153 to 146, and now it is bouncing back from that level, reaching the level of 150. RBL Bank is consistently making it's bounced back. We have seen that bounce coming up at the 13th of November also. Between the November and in the month of December, starting December, the RBL Bank has seen a 20% increase. From this level, at the level of 147 to reaching to this level, it was a straight 20% mark, and we have seen consistent green candles appearing in the RBL Bank. So it was very positive for the bank. The volume was also good. The volume was also maintained some positivity, and there was a consistent gain in that. But as of now, if we look at the RBL Bank has again started falling. RBL Bank has started falling, and it has reached to the level of 150. But let's have a look. If it is remaining at that support, if the market is supporting, we will be surely bouncing back, and RBL Bank will be able to make a new high. RBL Bank will be able to make new high and reach around this target price. We have made our entry in the RBL, latest entry in the RBL Bank at the level of 200 205. It is very far away as of now, but once it breaks the resistance with a very good volume, we were seeing it has reached around this resistance point at this level, but it was not able to break above that. If the resistance is broken above, if the resistance is broken by a good volume from RBL Bank, we will be seeing a surely bounce back from the RBL Bank, and we will be reaching to our entry level. And this is the target price for RBL Bank. We can see at 211 and 215, we will be surely making a smart exit. One thing I want to tell you more about the RBL Bank, we have already made our positions in RBL Bank at the second entry which we have made in RBL Bank was at the level of 150, and from that we were able to make a smart exit and make a 5% profitability for you. Okay, but we are waiting for our first entry which we have made, and it is around the level of 200 to 205. Looking into the Muthoot MF Microfin Limited. So we have made our entry at the level of 223 and 225. So this was our entry price in Muthoot Microfin Limited, and it is consistently making a fall in that. We have seen some green candle appearing at that level. We were seeing some consolidation, but again after making some bounce back, it has fallen. It is consistently falling as of now, and it is consolidating. So it is consolidating around its support level, and it is very critical to see. It is trading around the support level between 184 to 179. So this is the support level, and it is trading around its support level, and if Muthoot FinCorp is not able to sustain its support, we can see more fall coming in it. But as of now, since the market is positive and Muthoot Microfin Limited is also showing some sign of positivity, we can expect the bounce back to come in the Muthoot Microfin. And here is the resistance point. We can look at the level of 207 to 214. Here are the resistance. If we look, if it is able to break that resistance with a good volume, just remember, volume is also important while breaking the resistance. If there are no good volumes and it is not breaking its resistance with a good volume, the stock can fall more. But if it is breaking with a good volume and increasing, right, and making a strong increase in the stock price, right, we will be reaching to our entry price and making our first 5% profit target at the level of 237 to 240. 240 will be surely making our 5% profit target from the entry which we have made. But as of now, since it is below our entry price, we don't recommend to make any entries as of now, right? Just wait for the stock to bounce back, and once it breaks the resistance, you can see an increase till 240 to 237. Coming into DDEV Plastic, which we have in our holding. In DDEV Plastic, we have made our last entry at 330. So DDV plastic, just have a look. We have made our latest entry at 330. It was long back in the month of September. Still we are stuck in that. Let's have a look how it will be performing. So we have made our entry at the level of 330. So this was our entry price. This was our entry price, right? This was our entry, but as of now we are just stuck in there. So this was our entry price. We'll just make it up. Okay. So this was our entry price for DDEV plastic. So this was our entry price for DDEV plastic, and it is below our entry price only for many days, and we have been seeing it is consolidating between the range of 260 to 315. It is trying to make a bounce back, but again we have seen a consolidation at this point. So as of now, DDEV plastic is trading around the level of 279. So it is trading around the level of 279, and there is no sign of reversal as of now. Even today the DDEV plastic is negative by 0.78%. So let's have a look if it is making a comeback or not. Okay, and we have to remain patient because we are very confident in our stocks, and surely like maybe today or tomorrow it will be making a bounce back, and once we see the reversal from DDV plastic, we will be seeing more highs coming up. So we can expect a reversal, right? We can expect a reversal in coming days, since the market is very supportive as of now. Talking about the Hindustan Oil Exploration, the most entries we have made, the four entries we have made is in the Hindustan Oil Exploration. So, what are the factors for a decline in Hindustan Oil Exploration? If we look, we have made our entry at this level, and it has been consistently falling as of now. It has been consistently falling as of now, and there is been consolidation going on. It has reached around the level of 171, and from there it has trying to bounce back, and the consolidation is going on consistently in the market. So what were the reasons, what were the factors we can see in Hindustan Aerospace which is making a concern for it? We can see the factors are geopolitical concerns, and the second reason, huge correction in the international crude oil prices. We have seen there has been geopolitical concerns around the world. There has been war concern in the Middle East. Okay, and there has been huge war going on with Ukraine and Russia. So which are the largest producers of oil? Russia is also the good producer of oil, crude oil, and the Middle East is one of the largest producer of oil. So we can see there has been continuous war going on between the Israel, Syria. So there has been a lot of geopolitical concerns in that, and there has been consistent fall in the market, consistent fall in the oil exploration units we have been seeing currently. And there has been huge correction in the international crude oil prices also. So there has been fall in the international crude oil prices, right? So it is affecting the profitability of Hindustan Oil Exploration, and the revenue is also going down for it. So it is making a correction in the stock also, right? So we have made our four entries at the level of 240, 236, 218, 210. One more reasons we can consider factors. If you look at the factors of it, okay, one more reasons we can add into it is the huge FII selling in huge FII huge FII selling in oil and exploration sector, oil and exploration. So there has been huge FII selling among this sector too. The oil and exploration sector are one of the most and worst affected from the FII selling till date. Right? We have been seeing there are many sectors where FII is selling, but oil and explorations are one of the major affected sectors we can see, which have been affected by the FII selling, and the global concerns are there. There has been huge correction in the international crude prices. So these are the reasons we can see where there has been a strong correction in Hindustan expression. Whatever entries we have made, we have just been stuck at the level of 194. And for making new entries, we do not recommend any making of new entries, because we have already made 4 entries in Hindustan expression, and just we have to wait. It is making a positive today, and we just have to wait if it is able to bounce back or not, right? Many of the stocks, most of our stocks, out of 8, the 6 stocks are positive as of now for today, whatever holdings we have. So just have a look if it is trying to make its comeback in the Hindustan All Expression as of now. Since all of the stocks are showing reversal, so we can see Hindustan All Expression also reaching to our entry prices we have made, and we'll be making surely an exit on that. So we have made our 4 entries, and for all the 4 entries we have made, we had our average price at the level of 226. So at the level of 226 we had our average prices. And for those people who have made all 4 entries, just make sure your target price will be 237. We don't have to wait for 252 for the first entry. Just make sure you are exiting all your position at the level of 237, right? And if you are making that exit, you will be profitable in all of the 4 entries and making 5% gain in that profit in that stock. Okay, now we have the last stock, IP rings. We have discussed about all of the stocks as of now. We have last stock IP rings, which is around the level of 200 as of now. Right, 200 as of now, and we have been making profit in IP rings at the level of 210. Like previously we have booked our profit in IP rings also. Just have a look on that on our Excel sheet. We have made our profit in IP rings on 19th of December, last week only. We have made our exit at 212. The latest entry we have made in IP rings, we were able to exit on that. But for the latest, for the first entry we had in our IPO was at the level of 230, and the target price was around at the level of 242. So this was our target price, 5% target price, and the entry price was at 230. So we are waiting for that level. We have been already profitable in one of our entries we have made in IP rings. But just have a look if if it will make it come back and reach to the level of 230, and we will be able to exit at the level of 242. So just have a look on that. So on IP rings, we can see we have been making a entry at this level at between 200 205, and we were able to exit at the level of 210 to 215, which was at 212, which we made exit for that. And the first entry we have made was at the level of 230. So this was the first entry we have made for you. Okay, and we were not able to reach its high because there was a resistance, and it was bounced back from that level, and we were not able to make any profit. So let's have a look. It is showing some sign of reversal as of now. Today it is negative, but if we see, it has been increasing consistently. It has been increasing consistently from the level of 190, and we will be seeing more upside coming in. We will be seeing more upside coming in, and once the more upsides comes in, we will be surely making profit at the level of 242. So just remember, this will be our profit level, and we will be making a strong comeback in IP rings too. So we have discussed about the Poonawalla FinCorp, which is trading around the 320, and we have made 3 entries in that. RBL Bank, which is showing some sign of positivity. So most of the financial sectors are doing really well. They have been positive. which was negative in last weeks. We have seen a consistent fall in the sector of finance, right? IT and finance were the worst affected from the FII selling, because they have been consistently putting out the money from the IT and banking. Let's have a look today what's FII doing, right? And we will just now go through the last Friday data of FII DII selling, and what is the condition of market today. So this is the Nifty we have currently. For the daily chart, if you see, it is positive by 1% around. It is positive 237 points. Okay, it has been positive by 237 points, and it is trading above the level of to 23,800, which is a very critical point as of now, which is also a flip zone. And if it is maintaining, if it can maintains at this level above 23,800, we can see a strong pullback coming up, and it will be reaching, sorry, not a pullback, it will be a bounce back for this Nifty, and it will be making a new highs, right? We have seen a Nifty has a strong resistance at the level of 24,500 to 24,800. So this was a strong resistance, and we can see the flip zone to be reaching, the Nifty to be reaching around this level once again. But we should be remaining cautious, because there have been consistently selling of FII from the institutions, because many of the fund managers in US, UK, where we get the funds, goes on holiday during the Christmas and New Year. They celebrate their holidays and they go on a long weekends during this time. So what they do, they usually go and sell the stocks. They don't want to take worriness of their position. So they usually square off their position and go to make holiday. So they will remain stress free and will be enjoying their holiday. So this positivity which we are seeing may be coming up from the DII as of now, but we don't expect the positivity to be coming from the FII. We can see the positivity from the FII, okay, but we have to remain cautious that FII also are at holidays as of now, right? So foreign institutional investors, we can see the fund managers who invest in the market may have been into going into the making celebrating of Christmases and New Year, and they are enjoying their holidays, so they have just square off their position, and now we can see an increase on that. But this month, usually at the month of December and January, remains volatile and remains negative for most of the times, because the FII and DII don't want to make new position, and they want to remain stress free and make good profits, like make enjoy holiday. So this is the reason why Nifty we have seen consistently falling from the month of December. So Raptor has asked, will the market be closed for Christmas? So let's have a look. Market. So yeah, after we have just have a look on this news, we have been able to see stock market holiday. The trading week from December 23rd to 27th is a holiday shortened session. Accordingly, the market will be closed for 3 days this week, including the Christmas holiday and the weekends. So on the day of Christmas, we can expect the market to be closed. We cannot expect. We It's not an expectation. It has been announced from the NSE and BSE that the market will be closed on the date of 25th December. Okay, I hope you have got your answers, Raptor. The market will be closed on the date of Christmas, so just go and enjoy your Christmas fully. Don't worry about the market positions, and whatever positions you have made with the dolphin markets. Be rest assured you will be having a very happy New Year, and we will be making exit in the New Year's itself. When the market will open in January, in the month first week of January, second week of January, we can see some positivity coming up in the market, and we will be making a bounce back. Once the FII comes from the holiday and starts buying, we will be seeing a positivity coming up, and the market will be making a good high. So we have a holiday on 25th of December. Okay, so we were discussing about Nifty and FII data on the 20th of December, the last Friday. Just have a look on the Nifty last weekend. It has been very bloodbath around last week. It has been consistently falling. Nifty has been falling by 1.35%, again 0.56%, 1.02%, and 1.52%. And FII, just look at the FII data. FII has been selling consistently 6409 crores, 1316 crores, 4224 crores, 3597 crores. So FII has been selling consistently in the market. And from the last 5 days, the last weekend was very bad for Indian investors too, because FII have been selling consistently, and they have been taking their money out from the Indian market and pouring into some other emerging markets. We have seen the market of China going great. They have been delivering returns due to the stimulus package they have provided to the to the economy, and have just boosted their economy as of now, and the stock prices have increased. And as of now, we can see in India the markets, the last 5 days was very bad for Indian investors, and it has been consistently selling from the FIA. Just on 20th of December, FIA have sold 3597.8 crores, 3597.8 crore rupees FII have sold on the day of 20 December, which was last Friday. And DIA have bought some 1374.40 crores. But overall, if we see, the net was negative 2223.40. So this was the net. We can see negative overall. Combining the FII and DIA cash, we can see the net has been negative, and there was a no sign of recovery. Even when the net was 2767.30 crore, the market has fallen by 0.56%, because investors were remaining cautious and closing their position at high. Okay, so there has been market sentiment which is not good as of now, and there has been consistently sell on high from the FII going on as of now. So we are seeing a consistent fall in the FII. Looking into the news, we have currently no Monday Blues. FII, Reliance drive Sensex by 800 points. So Reliance is driving Sensex by 800 points. Currently, Reliance has been increasing consistently. And if you look at the most active in terms of value, Zomato has been most active as of now. Intellect Design, Mazagon Dock Shipyards is positive, and Reliance is also positive by 1.38%. India Cements is positive by 9.22%, and BSC is positive by. BSC Limited is also a stock. Don't confuse. It is an exchange. It is an exchange stock listed in BSC and NSE. Right, we have also stock for NSE, but is not in the listed market. But BSC Limited is in the listed market currently, and it has been trading frequently, and it has been provided you with the 15 to 20x return. BSC was one of the stock which I have provided previously working in my professional journey, and it has been delivering with the returns of 15 to 20x till then. We had recommendation For those, for the HNI clients which you know in your around you, just go and ask with them. We have been able to deliver returns of 1500% in the BSE stock. Okay, and we have been able to provide entries at 300 to 400 price, and now in just 2 years the BSE have reached 55,5593.95 levels as of now. So if you look at the most active in terms of volume, Vodafone Idea is the most active, Zomato is second most active, JP Power is JP was. These are the small stocks, small cap stocks, except the PNB and Tata Steel, which comes under the large cap. And most of the stocks we see are the small to mid cap, which has been most active as of now. So top gainers, if you look at the top gainers in the Nifty 50, Nifty, okay, it has been Intellect Design. It is positive around 11.73%. India Cements is positive by 8.94%. Sterling Wilson Solar is positive by 7.40%. Affle India is positive by 5.01%. So top loser, if you look at the top losers here, so Dioms Industries, GIC, KPR Mills are the top loser. If you look at the 52-week high in the stock, which is currently Newgen Software, BLS Internet Service, Anantra, GET and D India. And KFin Technology is also one of the 52-week high trading as of now, and this has been made a negative. It has been trading negative, but still it is in the range of 52-week high. If you look at the 52-week low, AIA Engineering, Tata Technologies is a 52-week low. It has listed with a very good volume, but now it is falling as of now. So now Tata Technologies is falling. So for, and also IRCTC is trading around the level of 785. So IRCTC is also falling. Okay. So if you look at the price action and volume action, most search, if you look at the most search stock, ITC share price, which is trading 2.515% positive. Tata Steel share price, it is trading 1.57%. Adani Power, it is trading positive by 1.22%. Reliance share is positive. So these are the most searched stocks, and it is one of the large cap stocks we can see, and it's been trading consistently good, and it's been most such stock as of now for the in the exchange NSE. So if you have a look on the Nifty, it is positive by 191 points, and it is 0.81% positive currently. It has been falling from the level of 23,850, and now it has fallen 60 to 70 points as of now. Nifty Bank is positive by 1.01%. If you look at the weekly chart, it has been negative. Okay, the Nifty has been doing negative, and Nifty Bank was also negative, but as of now in the Monday it has been showing some sign of comeback, and volatilities have also decreased. The volatility which we can see have also decreased, which is a very positive sign for the market, and it shows some positive sign and the bullish sentiments appearing in the market. When the volatility remains low, the market will keeps on increasing, and we can see a bounce back coming up in the market. So Raptor is telling there will be a less liquidity in the market in coming week. Yes, Raptor, there will be a less liquidity because many of the investors, many of the major fund managers, we see the domestic institutional investors and also the foreign institutional investors and the big investors, the superstar investors in Indian markets will be going for the holiday. They will be enjoying their peace. So the market liquidity, even many of the brokers brokers person, okay, and the people who are working in the stock market, the people who are trading consistently, they will be going for the leave, they will be enjoying their Christmas holiday, they will be enjoying the New Year's holiday. So there will be a less liquidity for upcoming 1 to 2 weeks. So whatever positions you are making, just make sure you are making in a good and highly liquid stock. So if you are making any position, you are able to get exit from that position as well. So just remember, you are making an entry in liquid stock as of now. If you look at the world indices, GIFT Nifty to Dow Jones Industrial Average, Nasdaq, S&P 500, FTSE 100, it has been doing great, and SAC 40 has been negative. So all of these has been doing great, and it has been making positive around this. If you look at the market sentiment, only 20% are bullish as of now, and 41% are bearish. If you look at the bank Nifty, it has been neutral. Nifty IT has been neutral. Okay, and if you look at the cash, which we have seen on 20th of December, FIA have sold 3597 crores rupees of stock. Okay, we have discussed about the share market, what are the top gainers and top losers, and 52-week high and 52-week low. So this were the stocks. Okay, if you look at the sectoral analysis, if you look at the sectoral analysis, oil and gas sectors is making a bounce back. We can see Hind Petro, Alpha Geo, Oil Counter. It is also Hindustan Oil Exploration is also under the oil and gas sector. So if the oil and gas sector is performing well, we can see some bounce back, and we will be seeing some increase in that. And once the oil and gas sector starts increasing, we will be making our exit in Hindustan Oil Exploration also. So, as we are coming close to our session, what we have discussed till now, we have discussed about our holdings we have. Okay, holdings we have, about the strategies we have provided to you, whatever the entries we have been providing to you, and the exits we have been giving to you. We have made our exit 38 trades as of now, and in the month of December only, just 23 days, and there has been around 15 to 16 trading sessions, we have been able to provide you with the profitability of 41%. Okay, and the stock holding which we have not able to make an exit, we will be surely making an exit on that. We have gone through our analysis in the all of the performances, all of the holdings we have. Four are trading positive and four are negative as of now. So Nifty, we can see there has been fall coming up as of now. Nifty was doing really good, but there has been fall of 100 points while we have conducted this session. So just have a look if it is making a bounce back or not. If it is making a bounce back, we will be seeing some positivity in the market, and if it is showing a fall in the Nifty, we can expect the Nifty to fall more and more. So we have discussed about our holdings from Poonawalla to RBL Bank to Muthoot Finance, JDV Plastic, Hindustan Oil Exploration, Kriti Industries, IP Rings, and Annapurna. So just have a look. Four of the stocks: Annapurna Swadist, IP Rings, Muthoot Microfin Limited, DDV Plastic has been trading negative, Poonawalla FinCorp, RBL Bank, Kriti Industries, and Hindustan Oil Exploration is positive. So this was our end of the session. Be stay tuned for the next session. We will be coming back in the afternoon, and will be there with you till the end of market close. We'll be there. We'll be there with you till we close the market at 3:30, and we'll be guiding you through your positions. And if we have any new entries to enter, we'll be surely letting you know. Till then, stay tuned for the next session. We will be coming back. Stay